Hey everyone, we're going to talk about how to create a eye-catching and engaging Instagram post in Canva. So let's get started. So Canva's a content creation tool. It's really becoming more than that, but essentially at its core, it's a content creation tool that you can use to create really highly visual, effective and engaging social media marketing posts for pretty much any platform. And the best thing about Canva is that they've got some really great free versions. So today we're going to dive into how to create an original Instagram post. So essentially just a one-shot image square. So you can see that we are on the main homepage once you have logged in, and you can just click here, Instagram post square. Tap that, and it will take you to a new screen. Now from here, you can see on the left-hand side that you have got a range of different templates to choose from. And whatever I click here will appear here. Right now, I just have a blank piece of canvas, essentially, and I could create my own. However, there are so many amazing templates that you could possibly use, and they're all here on the side. Now, these images have been created and these templates have been curated based on my previous designs. However, if you wanted to do something else, for example, we can see here, say, business post. If you're wanting something a bit more corporate, you can see that a number of more corporate looking images has appeared. If you want to put something like, if you are a gardening business, you can see here that there are some really great gardening designs that have come up. Similarly, if you are a carpenter, again, some really amazing designs have come up. Let's just go pretty broad here. Let's go inspirational. Excellent. Very dreamy quotes and things you can draw up from there. So let's just choose one. So this one here, as you can see, I've now been given the template in a design format. Now, I quite like this. However, I want to edit it a little bit. So for example, if we scroll in, you can see that there are some things here that obviously reallyGreatSite.com, that actually leads to Canva. That's a different URL they have, but I'm just going to put my company.com. So that would be you. That'd be your company. That's a little call to action. Never give up on your dream. I really like that. However, maybe I'll see what different fonts they have. So if you highlight it, and then at the top, you have your typical font effects, and you can choose from pretty much anything, really. So anything with a crown is on the pro user, which is paid. Anything without a crown is for free. So you can have a look here. So if you are using the free version, you've got a lot of really great fonts to use. And honestly, there's so many that will just fit the bill. So, okay, I'm going to choose that one, for example. As you can see, my text does no longer fit in the box. So if I go up here, I can just reduce it and that fits in again. What's really great about Canva, let me close this so we get a better view. What's really great about Canva is that when you drag, you can see right in the middle there, there's a line that appears. That tells me that it's center. Okay. Now, if I was to go a bit further, that's the center. So right there, I am in the dead center of my canvas there, so my image. So it looks nice and symmetrical, nice and perfectly aligned. Great. Now, another thing, okay, let's just go back to this. So let's finish the features at the top. You can change the text color to anything that you want. You can change, obviously, if you want it bold or not. And then also, if you want it aligned to the left, center, right, center, bullet points, spacing of the words, so the line spacing. So that makes it much wider and longer and much shorter as well. Go back to there. And letter spacing too, if you wanted to just go a little bit wider. So there really are some fun design options you can play around with and really get a handle of essentially what you want to do. So right now, this is a static image. If I wanted to animate it, you simply click on the image and you click animate. And there's lots of different animations. So this would now change your post, your Instagram post, from a single image to a short video clip. And it's a nice way just to add a little bit of animation, a little bit of interest to your post. You can see here, there's lots of different ones to choose from. And so say you did want to choose an animation. Let's go with something that's pretty good. If you were to click on that, you can see that it adds to the whole thing. And then up here, you can set the timing of your animation. So say if we did 4 seconds, it would complete the animation within 4 seconds. So that's how it looks. And then that's how my post would look, and then it would restart again. It would just do the same thing again. Okay, close. So that's looking pretty good. You know, I can look at different things on there. For example, I could click all of these. If like, oh, I'm not too sure I want the side pieces, I could just click them and delete. You pretty much can do anything that you want. Okay, I'm going to get rid of those. Nice. And then the actual image itself. So you could click on the background, click edit image, and say you wanted to add a filter to it. There's lots of filters you can play around with down here, lots of edits that you can make and adjustments. So say I was like, oh, actually I want it a little bit more of a glow. That fits better with my brand image. You can do that too. When you do click on it as well, it's worth noting that up here, if you tap on it, you can select the intensity. So right now it's at 50%. You can drag that down. Oh, don't do that. Or you can drag it up. Oh gosh, it looks like an apocalypse there. So nice little haze as if the sun's rising there. Love it. Great. And that's pretty much it. That's all you really need to know about creating content. We can go through all these options up and down here on a different time, but that's how you create a simple single image Instagram post on Canva. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.